Hi there. Today we'll be covering how to factor complex trinomials. Now, complex trinomials are indicated by having an a term other than 1. Something like this, for example, has an a term of 1 and could be factored as a simple trinomial. To factor these, we find two numbers that multiply together to give us a times c, and these same two numbers should add together to give us our b term. In this situation, we can see that -6 and -4 satisfy both these conditions. Now, what we do is we break down our b term into these two terms we just found, as this doesn't change the overall value of the expression. From here, we can see that both from green and from purple, we can common factor out -2, and this is now in factored form. One thing that's important to note is that your complex trinomial could be common factored to create a simple trinomial, and you should always try to do this first, as this is a much easier factoring method.